In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Authenticator with Discord 2FA. Before we begin, make sure the Google Authenticator app is installed on the device where you want to store your verification codes, typically your phone. Have that device ready and unlocked, and make sure you're signed in to your Discord account on your computer or the device where you'll be changing settings. Two-factor authentication adds a strong extra layer of security, and this setup only takes a minute. In Discord, look toward the bottom left of the window and click the small gear icon next to your username. That opens your user settings. When the settings window appears, select My Account. This is where you manage your profile and security options. Find the option labeled Enable Authenticator App and click it to start the setup process. Discord will now display a QR code along with a text-based 2FA setup key. On your phone, open Google Authenticator. You can add the account by scanning the QR code shown on your Discord screen, or, if scanning isn't possible, you can enter the setup key manually. If you choose to type the key, enter it exactly as displayed, paying attention to every character. Scanning is usually faster and helps avoid typos, so use that if your camera is available. Once Google Authenticator recognizes the code or the key, it will create a new entry for your Discord account and begin generating a 6-digit code. This code is time-based and refreshes every 30 seconds. That countdown is normal. It ensures each code is short-lived and secure. If a code is about to expire as you're typing it, it's fine to wait for the next one. Return to Discord and look for the field where you need to enter the code. Type the current 6-digit code from Google Authenticator and then click Activate. If everything matches, Discord will connect your account to the Authenticator and confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled. And that's it. Your Discord 2FA is now active with Google Authenticator. From now on, when you sign into Discord on a new device, you'll enter your password and then a fresh 6-digit code from the Authenticator app on your phone. Keep your device secure, don't share your codes with anyone, and make sure your phone's time is set correctly so the codes stay in sync. If a code doesn't work, wait for the next 30-second cycle and try again. You're all set, and your account is now much more secure.